So, hey everybody, it's Crypto Granny Bobby Bob. Welcome to the channel. If it's your first time here, please like and subscribe. I'm one of the very few crypto YouTubers who focus on keeping your investments safe. I'm going to cover a story. And no, I'm not saying Bitcoin is a scheme or a scam, because it's definitely real. But they're using Bitcoin to scam people. So I'm going to just dive right in and basically let you know how this went down. All right. Scam alert. Scam alert. Okay, just bear with me. If you want to join the chat, I'm going to have a link in the comments. And you can click on the link in the chat and we can have you jump on board, ask any questions you like. All right, here we go. SEC charges 4 people in a $295 million crypto Ponzi scheme. Tradecoin Club operated from 2016 to 2018 and allegedly defrauded more than 100,000 investors who were duped by false finance tech claims. Blockchain skeptics and critics often deride cryptocurrency as a whole as one big pyramid scheme, which it isn't. I'm reading the article to you. And though that point might have had some room for debate, the Securities and Exchange Commission, which is the SEC, is officially adding at least one more crypto venture to the ever-growing list of definitely a scam operation. So with that said, before I go further, Bitcoin is not a scam, but people use Bitcoin or any other crypto to scam people who aren't educated in crypto. I hope you're following me. The SEC announced charges against 4 people in connection with a fraudulent crypto-themed Ponzi scheme called the Tradecoin Club. On Friday, Dover Torres Braga, Geoff Paradise, Keeleolani, Akana Taylor, and Jonathan T. Traut are facing civil fines along with other penalties in Seattle's U.S. District Court. Tradecoin Club, which was founded by Braga, ran from 2016 to 2018 as a multi-level marketing program. And in that time, filings show the scheme defrauded more than 100,000 people of 82,000 Bitcoin. Then, at the time, in 2016 to 2018, it was worth about 295 million. Braga and his crew of promoters allegedly lured investors in with claims that their money would be managed by a finance bot that made millions of microtransactions per second. And thanks to the magical read non-existent bot, those same marks were told that they would receive a minimum of 0.35% return on their investment every day. The commission said, but instead putting the funds raised into crypto investment account run by a lightning-fast trading AI, the SEC claims that Braga and Co. pocketed instead. Further, in classic Ponzi style, the money that a subset of investors were able to withdraw allegedly came from other investors' contributions, not far from any trading. Came from the investors. Okay, let me read that over. The money that a subset of investors were able to withdraw allegedly came from the investors' contributions, not from any trading crypto activity. We allege that Braga and Tradecoin Club stole hundreds of millions from investors around the world and enriched themselves by exploiting their interest in investing in digital assets. The Chief of Commission's Crypto Assets and Cyber Enforcement Unit. In total, the SEC is claiming that Braga walked away with $55 million worth of crypto, While Paradise received 1.4 million, Taylor got 2.6 million, and T Trio netted 625,000. If the defendants are found liable in the case, they'll have to return those funds as well as pay the hefty civil fines, and they'll be barred from ever participating in another multi-level marketing venture or crypto investment operation. The alleged TradeCoin Club scam is far from the first Ponzi maneuver to pop up in the cryptoverse in recent years. In fact, it's so common that outlets covering the blockchain have explainer articles to help readers try to recognize and avoid these schemes. This is what Crypto Granny does. I'm bringing this all to the table so you can all understand that these vultures are out there. Even many YouTubers are out there. This is not an article. This is just me telling you. Back in August, the SEC filed a different set of charges against 11 people accused of stealing $300 million in a similar fraudulent setup. And between January 2021 and April 2022, the Federal Trade Commission reported that Americans have lost over $1 billion to crypto-related scams. So remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it likely is. And often a trade coin club can turn into a betrayed coin club. So with that said, the article, you can read it yourself, Gizmodo, Tech, Science, and Culture. And the article is SEC charges 4 people in $295 million crypto Ponzi scheme. Now, here's the problem. Crypto was made to be decentralized, to keep the middleman out. And I am all for all of us jumping in and investing and making tons of money with crypto, but we have to do the investments ourselves. We need some type of regulation because of people like this, YouTubers that do this to, even if they tell you to buy something and they have, they're getting paid, they call that a paid shill, they get paid by a certain coin. But I do want you to know, as far as I know, and I do my research, something like Cardano does not pay people. They don't even pay for advertising. And I'm not saying if they pay for advertising, they're a scheme or a scam, because like Crypto.com, they pay tons of money, did a beautiful commercial. They just renamed last year the Staples Center in Los Angeles, Crypto.com Arena. And things like that are different because that's a promotional. They have that money set aside as a business. But you have the FTX Stadium in Miami. So my point is, you're not going to get a gentleman like Charles Hoskinson paying someone to say, hey, get on your channel and talk about Cardano. I talk about Cardano. I don't get paid. I'm invested in Cardano. Something like XRP, Ripple. They're not paying nobody. We just build a community when we're invested in a project that has utility, serves a purpose. And we go hard. We want people to come in and we want you to invest. And the more people that invest, yes, but it's just like any other business. The more people that shop at Walmart, the more Walmarts can open up another Walmart, the more money they make. Business is business. It's a venture for all of us. Crypto is the new thing. I heard today, and I'm going to do an update probably over the weekend. The quantum banking reports just came out, and it's like a 25-page report. I got to do a little more research before I talk, in its entirety. But all the bankers supposedly got this 25-page quantum banking report today on a Friday, and basically was sent home. These are big bank managers and people that run the bank, supervisors, and they need to go in and do their research because not everybody knows about quantum banking or digital assets. So it's pretty new to everyone. I know someone who's in the stock market and the gold exchange in New York City. And when I first got into crypto, I said, hey, what about this? What about that? And I was told, and this is a businessman who, who's in the stocks. And he said to me, no, I'm not going to do that. You're better off just investing in ETFs and all this stuff. They weren't allowed at one point, but believe the people at JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America, and plenty of other banks, they all know about crypto. They've been knowing about crypto. The banks are buying it themselves. So with that said, I just wanted to put you on to this little thing that happened. And if you think about it, 2016 to 2018. 2018 is 4 years ago. It's almost 5 years that this scheme was going on, and they got charged today. They're going to have civil penalties. They're going to get blacklisted from the crypto. You know, these kind of regulations I'm 1,000% for, because it keeps people from losing money. And if everyone's investing and the money really goes to the real projects in crypto, it makes it a better day for everyone. So do your research. Watch whoever you want to watch on YouTube, on Discords, listen, learn. Go to crypto Twitter, go to TikTok. But like I said, use your common sense, see who's out there, and you'll see the red flags when you hear someone saying, buy something that's not in the top 20. Chances are, I mean, you got to do your research. Like, literally, you got to do your research and make sure you're investing into the correct projects. And this is what I'm here for. If you're interested in crypto and you don't know much about it, drop me a comment on any of my videos. I do check my messages. And we could do a live, and you can come on and ask me questions. If I have an answer, I'll answer them. If I don't know an answer, you'll be teaching me something, and we can all do the research together. This is what I'm here for. All right? So everybody have a blessed weekend. And once I get that quantum report information all up in my head and I understand what I'm reading, I will bring it to you all on this channel. Thank you all. Take care and God bless. Crypto Granny, I'm out.